Hello children, today we will learn poem My Shadow from class 5th CBSE NCERT. Children, do you know whenever there is a light, someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who it is? Let's find out. My shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Poet is saying that he has a little reflection of him, which is the shadow, and that follows him wherever he goes. Poet is not able to understand the use of shadow except that shadow follows him everywhere. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. Here, poet is saying that the reflection is totally like him from head to toe. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So, poet is saying whenever he goes to sleep, his reflection jumps or hops into the bed before him. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. The poet finds it very funny or strange the way shadow increases in size. The shadow grows immediately, whereas children take time to grow up. For he sometimes shoot up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Here, poet is comparing the shadow with Indian rubber ball because the rubber ball bounces up and down. Similarly, shadow grows big and small, and on sometimes the shadow becomes so tiny or small that seems like nothing is there. One morning, very early, before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. Dew means drops of water. Buttercup means yellow flower. One morning, the poet woke up before everyone, even before the sun. And what he saw? He saw drops of water on yellow flowers. Children, you must have seen drops of water on flowers early in the morning. If not, try waking up early and see. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Here, poet is saying that in the morning his shadow become lazy and bad one, who wants to sleep more. Sleepy head means a person who is feeling sleepy. Errant means bad. The poet is saying when in the morning he was out, shadow remains at home and was sleeping in the bed. Dear children, if you have any queries related to this poem, kindly write it down in comment box. Thank you.